Hello everyone. Information is the oil of 21st century and analytics is the combustion engine. With this quote by Peter Undergraduate, I would like to introduce the School of Commerce, Finance and Accountancy at CHRIST deemed to be University, Pune Lavasa Campus. CHRIST Lavasa Campus is a premier educational institution containing an academic association of people devoted to the motto of excellence and service. It is an off-site campus that offers UG to doctoral level program in various fields. The campus is considered the hub of analytics, aiming to help students achieve academic excellence through the diverse range of teaching methodologies, upgraded curriculum, industry collaborations, and innovative research practices. We pride ourselves on offering world-class analytics program focusing on BFSI sector. Renowned experts have carefully curated our BCom Financial Analytics program, focusing solely on imparting knowledge in the area for our students. But with that being said, we at CHRIST strive to go beyond limits, and knowledge is no limit. Hence, students are exposed to industry visit, guest lectures by corporate, Intercollegiate meet, Intercollegiate fest, and much more. Students are strenuously prepared through internships, interdisciplinary open elective, skill enhancement certification program, and capstone projects to meet real-world challenges. Holistic education is uncompromised. With participation comes experience, and with experience comes expertise. Students are encouraged to participate in various activities like International Expo, Hackathons, Leadership Summit, and Fest. This program is a fine blend of professional certification courses, specialized club to awaken innovative and leadership skills. Workshops, symposium, and webinars conducted by the department fulfill end-to-end requirements of the students and the industry. One noteworthy event every academic year is the Financial Fest organized by students themselves, where desire, creativity, and excellence take a new form. We provide students with every bit of opportunity to crave them into impeccable professional they have always dreamed of becoming. Be it group mentoring, individual mentoring, or collaborative research publications. Because at CHRIST, we believe in quality. We push our children to amaze themselves and set the lane for their own future. Thank you.